Hello everyone, it's Carol here, Recrafted Boutique, and I'm here today because it is time for a new design team project for Gi Kerr and Happiness in Crafting. Okay, so the one I've chosen this month is the Vintage Botanicals. Now I have 1 and 2 here. I don't know which one's which, but Vintage Botanicals, okay? So I'm just going to do you a quick flip through. And again, how absolutely gorgeous is this? Oh, just honestly, this is just makes your life so easy. How pretty is this? Look. She does amazing kits. Absolutely stunning. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. It's just so much. 5. 6 of those gorgeous flower backgrounds, and then you've got some of these more writable backgrounds. You could write on these or use them to fold up to envelopes. Not quite sure what I'm going to do with them yet, but I will think of something. And I think there's 3 of those. 1, 2, oh no, 4 of those. 4 of the backgrounds. Okay, and then you've got, I don't know why I've printed this one out on paper. I'm going to have to print it back out on card. So you've got your hearts, 2 different types of hearts, some circles, some tabs, some tickets, and this could be easily turned into an envelope or writing note paper. So maybe I did that. Maybe I need to reprint those. But you can, and these are all the embellishments, and I've printed these onto, I think it's 160 GSM. I could be wrong, but I think that's all I've got. So look at this. You've got ready-made pockets. You've got tabs, you know, you've got little tickets, you've got circles. You've pretty much got everything you're going to need. I love it. It's even got the folds. There you go. And then there's the gorgeous covers. The gorgeous cards are the same as the full-size pages, so they're going to coordinate absolutely beautifully. Oh, and this one, I've got why they're all upside down. And you've got pockets here as well, look, ready to go. Pockets. Oh, it's really clever. And some big tags. Love these. And of course I'm going to use these as probably little belly bands again. Okay, so that is Vintage Botanicals from Gi Kerr, Happiness in Crafting. And if you like the look of that, then in my description box will be the link to Gi's Etsy shop. Also, all the links to all our happy places are all going to be down in the link in the description box. Because Facebook book bliff, don't get me words out, Facebook group, obviously cup of tea time, Facebook group, Etsy shop, YouTube channel, you know, and Friday freebies. Don't forget your Friday freebies. Okay, right, so what am I going to do with them? Right, I'm glad you asked, because this time I thought I'd make, I'm just going to put that there just to give it a bit of, you know, nice. I'm going to leave this up there. I'm going to make a ring bound journal. Okay, so obviously we're using packaging. So we've got mince pie boxes. We've got the outside of books, you know, the exercise books. I've got pizza boxes, notepad, you know, anything you've got. Front of packaging. And I've got how many pages? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I've got 10 pages, and they're all roughly the same size. Now obviously I will be adding more because I you know, I can't, it's not going to be that thin, is it? Not on my watch. Oh, you probably want to know how big these are. Roughly 8 by 6, 8 inches by 6 inches. If you want to join me as I make this, then, you know, go download the kit, get yourself some card, and I think we'll just start. Should we just start now? Let's get the background pages. Now, I'm thinking I don't need to cut the edges off. I can just, I'm hoping, oh, look at that. It's not going to, I'm not going to be able to get 2, which is a shame. Well, I could do 2 and then I can put something down the edges, maybe. In fact, yes, because I'm going to have to make a hinge thing, aren't I? So oh, what am I going to do? Shall I just make these shorter? That's sneaky, isn't it? I'm going to make them so they fit. Because I just cut squares. I just cut them out. Right, let me move that out of the way. So, this is me all over, right? So now we're going to, let me just come out a bit. Right, so I got this nice paper cutter. And I'm going to give it a go. And I think, how big does it need to be? Let me just fold one of these in half. This is so cheating. Right, 6 inches is too big, so we want to be probably up to 14.5 centimetres, which is like 5 3/4 inches. So let's do a few. Let's just do one, Carol. Let's do one at a time. I'm going to do 14 because there's a line for 14. And if I don't go by the line, and it's the right size then, and I can just cover both sides because that would make more use of the paper, and we don't want to waste the paper. So let's just quickly chop these all down. You probably don't want to watch me do this, but I thought I was planned. I thought I was prepared, guys. Should have checked the size. But, you know, these things happen. I have learned that I need to hold this end down. Otherwise, it just goes squeefy. And I'm going to do them one at a time because I don't want to spoil them. She says, and then it attempts to do 2. Because I'm on camera and I'm trying to be quick. Oh yeah, easy peasy. Maybe not 3. Let's cut that rough edge off. Now that mince pie box is quite thick, so I'm gonna, oh, that one's quite thin already. So I am thinking about adding some fabric, but I haven't got any. So that may be a non-starter. I'd love to add some fabric. Maybe some lace, and that's about it. Okay, right. I think we're ready now. Let's pop that down there. Oh, get rid of my little bits. Now we can start. And what I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm just going to glue them on. Just in the centres, because I am going to sew round them. I do think that it looks nice when you sew round them. Everything's falling over today. Right, so let's just... See, I only printed these onto copy paper because I knew I was going to be doing this. So all I'm going to do to start with is, just so that I can trim them down, is just to quickly just... obviously, if I was not sewing, I wouldn't use the glue stick. Glue sticks are brilliant for just tacking down your paper. Now I've got to be careful because there's the white edge, so we're going to just do that again, because I know there's a white edge and I'm thinking that I'll be cutting it off if I can stay inside there. It's great if you're it'll even hold fabric. If you're doing fabric, like covered journal covers, you can actually use glue stick to tack down your fabric to your paper. I mean, how cute is these going to look? They're going to look amazing. I'm going to use one of these on the back. I may have to print some more, or I may have to find some more paper that coordinates. I don't know. We'll have a think. We'll have a think. But I thought we'd make a start because it is March and it's time to do another one. There's not going to be another giveaway. Oh. Yeah, so that was exciting, wasn't it? Oh, honestly. I don't know who was more excited. Donna winning it or me giving it away. I mean, I'm so happy that it's, you know, that I could use it as a giveaway because I just didn't have time to make another one. Didn't have time. It just crept up on me. That one minute I was on like 700 and then whoosh, and it was like, whoa. Which I am not complaining about in any way at all. How easy is this, guys? So if you haven't downloaded the kit, pop and get that. You need 1 and 2 to follow along. And I'll try to do as much of it as I can on screen, on video. But it depends because I have a lot of other videos I want to put out. So I may miss bits. And I'm a bit bad at doing that. I do apologise for that. I do miss bits sometimes. But you can manage this. This is easy peasy, isn't it? And I'm thinking with a ring bound journal, I can do, I'll finish the rest later. I'm not going to go through the whole lot. What I will do is trim them up so you can see what they're going to look like. Yeah, with a ring bound journal, I'm going to be able to add more pockets and things like that. You know what? I can't now see. I'm just got to follow the edge of my cardboard. What I need to do is lift it up to the light, and I can't do that because then you can't see. So I am just following along where my cardboard is. Except for there, where I missed it. There you are. Right, it may be a good idea to do one side at a time. Okay, so I will do that to all 10 of my pages. So when you come back, they will all be done, and we will be thinking about what we're going to put on them, how we're going to attach the ring binder bit, you know, because do we want to put, I think we'll put little bits of fabric to strengthen the holes, or we could make completely new sides. I didn't cut that very well, did I? So yeah, I'm going to have a think about how I'm going to put them all together. But if you want to get up to join me in this, at this level, get all your pages done, then we can we can see how we go from then. I will sew all the way around, I think. So that'll all be done before the next video. Okay, guys. So either glue with proper glue or tack it down with some glue stick and then sew it, whichever way you want to do it. All right. I look forward to doing a bit more with you next time and see you all soon. Bye for now.